If you're a new agent or an existing agent, but you don't know what GCI stands for or what it means, this video is the one for you. GCI means gross commission income, and it's what most agents use as a metric for their success within this industry. Hey everyone, my name is Joe Skipper and I'm the owner of Skipper Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and today we're going to take a deeper dive into GCI, what it means, and how it's measured. Now this topic and term is what every agent should know and what most, if not all, agents use as one metric of their success within this industry. Now if you haven't already, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I would really appreciate it. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest marketing techniques and information for real estate agents out there, then consider subscribing to my page. I put out content regularly so that you can be a more successful agent and thrive in this career as a real estate agent. So, why does it matter to care about and keep track of your GCI? This question gets asked a lot, and the general answer I give to other agents is that it measures the overall total earnings that you make as an agent. It's a performance indicator for you to see if your business is moving forward or falling behind. The higher the GCI you have correlates with whether your business is thriving or if you need to make some adjustments within the business to change that. GCI offers you the most tangible measure of your success and is the driving force behind the growth of any real estate business. So to calculate your GCI, it is really simple. The only two numbers that you need are the total commission you made and the commission rate you charged. So for example, you sell a home for $500,000 and your rate to sell that home was 3%. You just multiply the $500K by 3% and your GCI would be $15,000. This is the commission you would make prior to broker's fees, taxes, marketing costs, office fees, and any expenses the business incurs for that transaction. So if it's that simple, then why even record it? Well, for me and a lot of other agents out there, it's a simple metric to use in order to determine your business health. If you have a GCI that continues to grow, it's an opportunity for you to see what seems to be working and how you can implement more of it in your business in order to continue to grow. If it's dropping, you can look at what you have been doing or not doing to cause that. Sometimes it could be the season, for example. It may be a slower time for your market, or you could have pulled out of a marketing technique and you're starting to see negative results from that. By keeping up to date with your GCI, you can adjust your marketing and business techniques to continuously improve your business. And it's not an overcomplicated way to calculate it, which makes it easy to keep up with. So, how can you increase your GCI, you may ask? Well, that's by either the volume you do in the home sales or the rate at which you charge for the sale. So as to volume, it means marketing yourself more, putting yourself and your business out in the forefront of people's minds. This may mean more social media ads, networking with your community, mailers, door knocking, cold calling. All of these marketing techniques work. Agents that do them daily are gonna see their business pick up and their GCI go up as a result. Now, the other way to raise your GCI is to negotiate for a higher commission rate for a home sale. Now, personally, I would say that you need to be prepared to provide the client with an exceptional sales and marketing process for their home. You have to show them why working with you at a higher rate is better than going with the low commission agent that will post it on the MLS and walk away. That could mean providing professional photography services, staging services, transaction management, social media advertisement, and all sorts of other things that you as an agent can do that make the client's listing stand out amongst the crowd. GCI is a great tool as an agent to use in order to develop and grow their business, but don't get wrapped up in everyone else's GCI or what companies claim their GCI is and how awesome they are. Your business is unique to your goals and what you want to do with it. GCI goals for you may be completely different than an agent down the road. My suggestion to get you started is to figure out what you want to make as a yearly salary. Now you work from there to determine what the average sales price of homes in your area are going for, what your commission rate is on average, and how many homes that would take to get you to the salary that you want, and in turn, the GCI that would be getting to that point. There are tons of programs out there for goal setting and keeping track of that, and I would be happy to help you with some of the ones that I use. So feel free to reach out and we can talk about getting your GCI figured out and how to track it and keep it going up. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my page to stay up to date with the latest tools, techniques, and tips for real estate agents in today's crazy market. Thanks, guys.